1 hour later.
Recycled oatmeal container or container of your choice. Candlestick holder. These are also available at the dollar store. Hot glue gun. Duct tape, purchased from the dollar store. Bling, rhinestones, beads. Door pull or drawer pull. First, we're going to remove the paper from the outside. There goes the cookie. Then we're just going to give it a quick wipe out on the inside. Make sure we remove any crumbs that were left over. Now we're going to add the duct tape. I really enjoyed this duct tape. It came from the Dollar Tree and it has a beautiful finish. Right now I'm trying to map out my plan because I know I will have seams showing. So you want to make sure that you start and finish at the same point. Another option would be to use scrapbooking paper. If you decide to go that route, make sure you Mod Polish the paper so it can have a protective coating from wear and tear. Now let's add some flair to it. Because I have seams showing, I'm going to try to disguise these with either fancy decorative wrap from Michael's on clearance for $1 or double strand bling. It was originally $1.50, but I got it on clearance, I believe, for 50 cents. Or the famous bling wrap from the Dollar Tree. I decided to go with the double bling from Michael's because it had a black background. I figured it would blend in. Here I'm discovering how long I had that bling wrap. This was adhesive. It had adhesive backing, and it was so old that the adhesive stuck to the paper instead of the actual bling. So I'm just using hot glue, and I'm picking certain spots so I don't have glue dots everywhere. I make sure that I glue it to the back of the rhinestones. Now we're going to bling out the top. I decided not to add the duct tape because I feel like it was going to be too much. So I just added some bling to make it cohesive. There goes Cookie again. Okay, so I just realized that I lost the clip. In the center, I added the drawer pull just with hot glue. Okay, here I noticed that the bottom of my container was too weak, so I added a piece of cardboard from a box that I had lying around. I just cut it to fit and added hot glue. The last step is just to add the candle holder to the base. Wipe away any hot glue flyaways or hairs. You're done. This is your Pinterest inspired headband holder under $5. The candle holder was from the thrift store for $3 and I bought the duct tape from the Dollar Tree for $1. Everything else I already had.